Yeah, this is David Talbot. I'm CTO at WorkMover, and we use Amazon AWS extensively as a complement to the WorkMover Caspio application. And we use it for storage, the AWS S3 bucket for storage. We use AWS EC2, that stands for Elastic Computing, for program execution. We use the simple email service for email, and we use the IAM, Identity and Access Management, for user logons. Now, part of our reasoning here is that AWS is generally very inexpensive. I mean, our WorkMover bill for AWS is usually only about $200 and something a month. And we have one client with 60, 70,000 images in AWS, and I think they pay only about $30 a month. So AWS is very inexpensive, and it's usually free for the first year anyway. So certainly a really useful program. So looking at our console here, we use the EC2 instance, the simple email service, the S3 for storage, and IAM. We tried the transcribe, but it didn't work as well as, so we used Twilio for voice transcription, for instance. So let's have a look at a couple of these things. So the AWS S3 or storage bucket, we store all the documents there. It reduces the size load on the Caspio database. And also, documents in AWS S3 are very accessible by program for merging or attaching to SMS messages, for instance. So it's really easy for us to manipulate a document that's in an S3 bucket. Okay. The Elastic Computing, we execute, as I said in another video, we always execute APIs server-side from AWS. So we don't put credentials on the screen, where they could be perhaps compromised. We operate our asynchronous subsystem and its associated MySQL database in the EC2 bucket. We have a few custom programs, such as formatting data sets for a Caspio Data Hub upload. Don't do too many of those, but it's there. And we do use it quite a lot for the offline and disconnected mobile apps. So we transfer, synchronize, and throttle data. What we want to do is, in the throttling, we want to reduce the transactions per second going through the Caspio REST API. So we throttle using AWS. And then we use simple email service. It just means that as you already have AWS, you don't need to buy another email service software. It simplifies it. And then IAM takes care of the logons and passwords. So we're big users in Caspio of AWS, and it's proven to be really effective for us. Thanks very much.